What's up, what's up, what's up, and welcome back to the channel, Shaken Not Slurred. Thank you. So today, we will be making a drink using some alcohol that I got from my friend for Christmas. Shout out to her. Pure white Hennessy. We will be using this to basically do like a little twist. This recipe I kind of saw, we're gonna kind of add to it. Basically, it's gonna be like a tropical kind of pure white Hennessy drink. So let's just get right into it. And go ahead and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's just jump right on in. Okay, so first we have some ice. We're gonna just go ahead and add some ice. So this recipe will all be done in this glass. Super simple. Add some ice. That should be enough. So the first thing we will start out with is some Blue Curacao. So we will just go ahead and do about 1 ounce of Blue Curacao. If you haven't had Blue Curacao, it's pretty good, sweet, tropical. Doesn't get any more tropical than that. We will come behind that with 1/2 ounce of lime juice directly in there. And then let's just go ahead and kind of give that a stir. And let's add some more ice. Then we have our raspberry simple syrup. So we will do about 1/2 ounce of that as well. And you can add more if you want it a little bit sweeter. Let's go ahead and do just another 1/2 ounce. Let's go with 1 ounce of the raspberry simple syrup. We will come up with that with our main ingredient, our Hennessy. So we will do about 1 ounce of that into our mixture. And as you can see, there's kind of some layering going on. I added the heavier alcohols, well, the heavier drinks first. So they kind of sunk to the bottom and the Hennessy is kind of floating on top. And we will top that off with some pineapple juice. Some fresh pineapple juice. Voila. And let's go ahead and add maybe a squirt just for some red, more of our raspberry simple syrup. And there you have it. The tropical pure white Hennessy cocktail. Super simple to make, all done in the glass. As you can see, it's layered up pretty nicely. Let's take a sip of that. Tastes pretty good, and you can go ahead and make sure you mix all of that together before you drink it. But yeah, that is how you make it. Stay tuned for more videos. If you guys have any ideas or drinks you would like to see, go ahead and drop those in the comments, and I will be making those. So until next time, Shaken Not Slurred, out.